Welcome, gentlemen. Rafael here with Timeless Gents. Listen, if you don't have a skincare routine, I want to help you guys get started on something today. It doesn't need to be complex. I'm going to make this as simple and as quick as possible, but we're going to separate this into two formats. You're going to have your AM routine and you're going to have your PM routine. Your AM routine is to brighten and protect. Your PM routine is to cleanse and restore. We're gonna go through a handful of products. I'm gonna list them into the show notes, but you can also pick these up at your local Target or Walgreens or CVS Pharmacy, whichever one's closest to you guys, but I'll link them below for you. So in the morning, you're gonna wanna start with an exfoliating cleanser. The one that I use is from L'Oreal. I don't have it in front of me to show you guys. I just ran out. I tried to pick up my bottle yesterday, but they didn't have any in stores. So I'm gonna drive clear across town after this video and pick up my bottle, but I'm gonna show it up here for you, and I'm also gonna link it into the show notes. That's the one that I would recommend in the morning because it really does help clean off the dead cells and brightens your skin. Then once you're lathered and once all that's dry, then you're going to apply your first product, which is going to be your hyaluronic acid. The one that I use is from Target. That's e.l.f. That's it right there. So what this does is it binds water to your skin cells. It's going to plump the area around your eyes and reduce the signs of wrinkling. So it's going to really help kind of brighten up that area of your eye. Remember, back to what I'm saying, all these morning products are to help brighten up the skin. Once that's dry, then you're going to apply your next product, which is your vitamin C. Now, this one also brightens and helps rebuild collagen. It has some peptides in there. But what I went ahead and did is I coupled this with my SPF. So you guys, you want to make sure you're getting SPF 30, 40, 50 and above, especially if you're getting a lot of sun rays. You can also reapply this later on in the day. And you also want to make sure, for those of you that shave your head like me, this is a choice. You want to make sure you lather all the way throughout, make sure your head and your neck is also protected. That's it. That's your morning routine. Easy, right? So now we're going to move on to your PM routine. Now your PM routine is to cleanse and restore. So with that in mind, we're going to switch out the face wash to a gentle moisturizer. The one that I use is from La Roche-Posay. Get that to focus there for you guys. So this one has ceramide and niacinamides, just like some of the lotions that we're going to go over as well. This is a little bit gentle on your face, guys. It's going to foam up like you see in the video. And then once that's completely foamed up, you're also getting the neck. You're going to wash that off and you're going to pat dry. Do not pull dry or scrape dry, especially around the sensitive areas of your eyes and on the neck. Pat dry and make sure that's gone and completely dry. Then the next product you're going to apply is the holy grail of face routines. This is the most expensive and the most important product that you're going to have in your routine. This is your retinaldehyde. This one is going to really help restore your skin. It's going to help minimize the signs of aging with the wrinkling. It's also going to protect and restore the skin. You're going to put this throughout the way you're seeing in the video. And same thing, all these products, you're going to use small amounts. Less is more with all of these. You're going to dab your hand first and then you're going to put it on throughout and spread it through. Then the final product you're going to use, also from La Roche-Posay, is going to be your double repair moisturizer. Okay, this also has some peptides added to it as well. Then once you're all done with that, you're going same thing, about a dime size amount, and you're going to lather all the way through and all the way through neck, top of the head, everywhere. Okay, you're going to make sure everything's protected and moisturized. That's it, guys. Now the bonus one that I did not talk about that you can also add is going to be a retinol eye cream. So this one is just specifically your retinaldehydes. You can also buy a specific retinol eye cream. You know, luckily I haven't had to. I'm trying to do everything that I've shared with you guys with improving your water intake and your sleep and working out. I'm trying to improve my youthfulness, how I look and how I feel naturally. So I haven't had to do Botox just yet. I don't knock it. Eventually I will. I just haven't had to. The bonus tip of this one is if you guys want to use a retinol eye cream, feel free. I don't use it as of right now. One, because I haven't needed to, but two, I also want to save money. So if I can get what I need to out of the retinaldehydes, I don't get it close to the eyelid with any of these products with the sunscreen, the vitamin C, the hyaluronic acid. You don't want to get really close to the eyelid. You want to be closer to the bottom, just above the bony area of your eye socket, because your skin, as it dries, it's going to pull it upward and you don't want this to get into your eyes. It will get really sensitive and painful. So that's it, guys. Easy, right? AM routine, PM routine. You do this daily. You should notice improvements within 2 to 4 weeks. I'd love to hear if this is working for you guys. Keep me posted on how you're doing. The next video, we're going to get into the final pillar of looking and feeling younger, and that's improving your style, guys. That's the video that I've been looking forward to this whole time. So hopefully you've seen the previous 3 videos. This is the 4th, and now we're leading into the 5th video. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.